Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Cornucopias News and Updates. In this video, I'll cover what's been happening in the world of cornucopias. So I'm going to be talking about updated roadmap, OG Bubble Jet sale, COPICafe series, and Unreal Engine 5. So first, let's take a look at the roadmap on their website. If you'll just scroll down, then you're going to be able to see roadmap. And when you press on it, new window is going to appear. And this is their new updated roadmap that was just recently released. So first they published what they accomplished in 2021 and then 2022. So far, they had NFT sale Bubble Jets, NFT sale GTI, Copy Watch publication launch, Copy tokens on Cardano and DEX listing, mobile game release, intern alpha, and NFT marketplace limited alpha, and then Bubble Jet Sprinter OG edition test, and then they're currently working on a website, merch shop launch, Copy Wiki, and NFT marketplace. And you can scroll down and see what else is going to be happening in Q2, Q3, Q4. And also they published roadmap all the way till 2027, so you can scroll down and read every single thing that's going to be happening starting next year. More NFT sale, public land, NFT sale 2023, flying vehicles, PC external NFT, and then much more. And then if you scroll more down, you can see right here continuous evaluation, and then the key. Basically right here you can find acronyms, what do they mean or what do they stands for, such as P2E, play to earn, B2E, build to earn, learn to earn, and UE stands for Unreal Engine version 4 and 5. This is a very big roadmap. I don't think I have seen any other project that has 5-year roadmap. And then the next thing, it's going to be OG Bubble Jet sale. So this was posted on Friday 8th. Monday, April 11th at 3 p.m. UTC, Bubble Jet Sprinter OG Custom Mint. So OGs, the sale mint will take place on Monday at 3 p.m. UTC. For more info, please join our Discord. And then on their Discord, this is what they posted under the major announcement. Starting Monday, OG will have 2 weeks to mint their NFT. So if you are part of the OG or old guard, you have 2 weeks to mint your OG Bubble Jet NFT. And then they'll be releasing NFTs in batches of 100 until OGs have minted or until we have reached the 2 weeks cutoff date. We will have max supply 1400, but depending on how many show up to mint, this number could be lower. For example, if only 782 OGs have minted by the 2-week cutoff, we will have released only 800 NFTs at that point, and that would be final supply. Important, for OGs that have not minted by the cutoff date, you will not be receiving your free Bubble Jet Sprinter OG custom. Sorry. So if you're part of the OG and you missed 2-week deadline, then you're not going to be getting free Bubble Jet. And then also OG role moving forward. First, OG role is officially closed starting now, and we will reopen once the mint has concluded. From the beginning, our vision for Old Guard was to have a core group of supporters that acted as a defense line for our brand. As we grow, so will our community. That being said, there will always be opportunity for you to become an OG. Moving forward, if you upgraded to OG after the conclusion of our first OG free mint, you'll be eligible for your free OG NFT beginning next year. If you'll be granted with OG role, you'll just have to wait until next year. And of course, most likely they're going to be available on secondary market. But keep in mind, if you will purchase one from secondary market, so you can have one from secondary market, but you're not gonna have OG role on a Discord channel. And the next thing is COPICafe. So far, they already released 3 episodes. So if you are new or you have been following Cornucopias and you haven't watched any of the episodes, I would really recommend starting from episode 1, 2, and 3. And you'll get a lot of useful information from all of the episodes, very informative, and they're constantly updating and leaking new features and functions, what's going to be in the game. So I would recommend to everybody who's interested in this game to watch all the episodes. And then another thing was tweeted out that Unreal Engine 5 officially released. So developers will be using Unreal Engine 5, and if you don't know what's Unreal Engine 5 is, you can just Google it, but in a few words, it's the world's most advanced real-time 3D creation tool for photoreal visual and immersive experience. So this is one of the best tools probably right now for 3D development. And this is it. That's all I got for you guys. Until next time, thanks for watching.